ladies, welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World today, we got a bad watch face for you all to check out. You gotta download this one. Hopefully, Jackie, this one isn't too girly for you. Now, the name of the watch face is called Magenta Style Advanced Sport. Very nice looking watch face, especially for a casual dress down wear. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get a nice digital time. When the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. If you look at the background, you already got a nice, decent background that most ladies would like. Maybe the color needs to change, but listen, we're gonna go through that in a second. But you're gonna get stacked digital time. You're gonna get your date down up under that. You're gonna also get info on your heart rate, your steps, and floors climb. Down at the bottom, right up under that, you will get your battery percentage. Now, in order to get up into your step information and things of that nature, you gotta double tap in order to get into it. Same thing for the steps. And my watch is temperamental simply because I got a lot of things running on it. Same thing you can get for your heart rate. And also, if I double tap right here on the time, I can set an alarm. And if I double tap on the date, I can bring up my calendar. Now, what I like about this watch face is that it got so many different backgrounds. It's hard to do it from behind the camera, but I'm telling you, you're gonna like what this watch face has to offer. I think is worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. You can set the background theme to whatever you want to set it to. That's going to match up with whatever outfit that you have on for the day. All right, ladies, hit me in the comment section down below. Please let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out to help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this on a consistent basis, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.